Hey guys, Hoagie 1685. Tonight, sway bar end links and sway bar bushings is on the agenda.
And we even have some spill dry ready for the Cummins to leak some oil on this new shop floor.
So I bought some Moog sway bar end links, and then I went ahead and upgraded, and I got the polyurethane sway bar end link bushings and the sway bar bushing themselves. So hopefully this will fix her up. So we're gonna jack the truck up now, and I'll show you how bad the stock bushings and the the sway bar end link bushings, how bad they are. They're all cracked, and I think I'm just noticing a little bit of it in the steering, so it's time to upgrade, change it up.
So it's been about 2 years, give or take, since we've last been under this truck doing major stuff. Anyways, we're doing the power steering box on this 24 valve Cummins. So yeah, lots of fun. It's raining, so it makes it even more fun.
I had a big schmozzle with the steering box. It's a long story, but needless to say, we were torquing up the OEM steering box bolts to factory spec, and I broke a stud. I couldn't believe it. But that all aside, we got her all fixed up. She's good now, but we're gonna focus on these, making this thing steer a little better yet, as best as a Dodge can anyway. And we'll get these sway bar end links changed out and the sway bar bushings, and we'll see how she rolls.
Off topic, but look how many bars they use to steer.
Death wobble. Okay, so what we're gonna do, 13/16 socket for this. We're gonna peel this out and the other side, and then we're gonna take off the two bolts here, which are 15 mil for the sway bar bushing and the bracket itself that holds the bushing. And then we're just gonna knock it out, and we're gonna take the whole sway bar down, and then we'll take the end link off that way when it's down on the ground. And then we'll install the new end link into the sway bar, both sides, and then put it back up, and away we go. So first things first, you gotta find the biggest pair of channel locks you can. And what I gotta do, I gotta hold this part and spin this off the sway bar. Same to the other side, we'll put our new ones in, and then we'll put the new bushings on and we'll reinstall it. Hashtag Canada, gotta never seize everything. So I just snugged up the sway bar iron length, the large nut, the 13/16, and just snugged it up with the impact. And now we're going to torque it to 110 foot-pounds. I'm sure there's a torque spec for this, but I did a couple ugga duggas with the impact, so that's good enough. Okay, now we're going to tighten the top, and I believe that was, it says here 27 foot-pounds, but that was with the stock Moog rubber, and I have the urethane one, so we're going to try 27 pounds. We're going to see what it looks like. If we're not getting enough compression, I'll go a little bit more. I didn't notice on the box that it said, but we might have to go by feel on this one, but the stock Moog ones are 27 foot-pounds. Yeah, that's 27. It might look totally different when it's down on the ground too. Okay, there you go, guys. It's a little bit of a dirty job because you know, you're underneath the Cummins, but no, it went really well. It's pretty simple. Just a matter of a couple bolts and that, and like I said, 110 foot-pounds for the bigger bolt here at the bottom, and 27 foot-pounds. But like I said, with the polyurethane, we'll see if I find it seems like it's loose or whatever, I might put a little more on it, but we got a little bit of a crush on it, and we got 27 foot-pounds, so there you go, guys. Sway bar end length change and sway bar bushing change. Okay, guys, I hope you like this video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and again, check out Shifted Interests. Great channel. Have a good day.
But wait, there's more.
Also, while we had her up on the hoist, I went ahead and put a set of Husky mud flaps on the front. Got some gator backs on the back, and they're great, but I didn't feel like spending another $200 for the front for mud flaps, so went ahead and put the Husky ones on. They seem to be pretty good quality, and they got the nice stainless plate similar to the gator backs, so